Okay guys, so we're going to look at the last part of the review features in Microsoft Word, and that is the protection of a document, how we can protect our document in terms of the editing and access of the document. So have a look. I'm going to go and click on review because that's what we're busy with, and the very last block here, or second last block actually, is the protect block, and you can see I can restrict editing and I can also block authors. Now, I can only block authors if I have more than one person that has been working on this document, but let me show you how this works. So I'm going to click on restrict editing, and my side panel comes up and I've got a couple of options here. I can choose to limit the formatting of my document to only a certain amount of styles that I allow, so you can really lock down what people can or cannot format on your document. I can decide what kind of restrictions I'd like to impose in terms of editing by going only allow this type of editing in the document. So let's have a look. Tracked changes, comments, forms, or no changes, read only. So if I select tracked changes, that means whatever someone else does to the document, tracked changes will automatically be implemented, and I will see right away who has done what in the document. If I choose comments, that means that only specific people can comment on the document. They can't edit anything, they can just comment. So I can decide, okay, well, who do I want to be allowed to comment? And here it says everyone. Okay, I can allow everyone, or I can say more users and put down someone's email address or account that they're allowed to use it. Only they're allowed access to it. Okay. Or I can choose, in terms of comments, I can do filling in of forms. This comes up quite a bit. If you've gone in Word and you've created a form, with fields, form fields and drop-down lists and all of that, and you want to protect your document so that people could only fill in the form, this is what it's for, filling in forms. This is useful. This might come in handy with your pet, okay? And then, of course, no changes, read only. But I can also then choose to make it available to other people. And then when I'm ready and I've chosen, so let's say track change, I'm going to switch it on. Right? I say yes, start enforcing protection. So I click start enforcing protection, and I have the opportunity now to enter in a password to protect this document if I wanted to. If I wanted to protect this with a password, I would do that now, and I can type in the password twice and click, but I'm not going to, so I'm going to click OK. All right, the document is now protected. So let me show you what happens if someone tries to edit the document. I'm going to go right to the bottom, and as you can see, my track changes is on. There it is there. So people can't get out of this. Whatever anyone does to my document, I'm going to see that, which is really great for collaboration. You can see who did what in the document. Great when you're working with other people on a project. If I want to do now, take off the protection, here I restrict editing. At the bottom there's my little button that says stop protection, and the document is now unprotected. And that is how we protect a document.